In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use branded search insights to improve your homepage SEO and create content that matches what people are already searching for. We're going to keep this simple and practical. The goal here is to understand how people search for your business name online and then use that information to make your website more relevant, more discoverable, and easier for potential clients to trust. To begin, open Chrome and go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once the page loads, head to the main search bar. This is where you'll start researching your branded search terms. In the search field, type in your company or business name exactly as people would know it. Be as accurate as possible because this search is meant to reveal the real phrases and variations connected to your brand. After you enter your business name, review the results carefully and look for the keyword ideas section. This area is especially useful because it helps uncover the different ways people search for your brand. You may notice alternate spellings, extended phrases, comparison style searches, or question-based searches related to your company name. Pay close attention to these variations because they often reveal what potential clients are trying to confirm before they decide to contact you, visit your website, or make a purchase. Once you've identified the most relevant branded searches, the next step is to optimize your homepage meta title. Your homepage title should clearly and explicitly reflect your exact company brand identity. In other words, make sure the wording matches the actual branded search terms people are using. This helps search engines connect your homepage with those searches more confidently, and it also makes your listing look more relevant when users see it in search results. Keep the title clean, direct, and closely aligned with your brand name. From there, take the branded variations and question-based searches you found and turn them into dedicated content on your site. Create landing pages when a branded phrase deserves its own focused page, or build comprehensive FAQ sections when the searches are more informational in nature. The important thing is to directly address those highly specific branded search strings in a way that is useful and easy to understand. This gives search engines more content to match with branded queries, while also helping visitors quickly find the answers they were looking for. When done correctly, this process strengthens your brand visibility in search, improves relevance for branded queries, and helps you capture high-intent traffic from people who are already looking for you by name.